how to stop background running services and save battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and you will see running services is here. So click on running services. So all running services is showing here. So if you want to stop running services, so click on Samsung Violet and click on stop. So after click on stop, you will see Violet services running services stop. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can stop background running services and save battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.